Okay, students, the next decomposition reaction, that is the decomposition reaction. This is the second type of chemical reaction. What is the decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction are those reactions in which a compound splits up. Splits up are the breakdown, are the breakdown, breakdown into two or more simpler substances. Two or more simpler substances are known as the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. But these split up, the split up of any compound or the breakdown of any compound is carried out only by acquiring the heat, acquiring the energy actually. Energy, this energy may be in the form of heat, may be in the form of light, or maybe in the form of electricity. So these are carried out, these reactions are carried out by applying heat, light, or electricity. Without these energies, any one of them is required. Without these energies, the decomposition of any substance or the breakdown of any substance cannot be possible. In a general case, what is the, suppose the compound is AB, it will be break down into A and B by using the energy, by using the energy energy you should write on the above the arrow, that is the energy. So on the basis of energy, the decomposition reactions are of three types. First one, that is the thermal decomposition. That is first one, that is thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reactions, it means the those decomposition reactions in which the heat is required for splitting of the or the breakdown of any substance. For example, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, when heated up, then it will break down into the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is the type of thermal decomposition reaction. Actually, it is the decomposition reaction, it is, but also the thermal decomposition, because here the heat is required. Got it? In another example, there is when potassium, when potassium chlorate potassium chlorate is heated up, then it break down into the potassium chloride as well as the oxygen gas. Oxygen gas here the main product. This is the main product, oxygen gas. This is the industrial method of preparation of oxygen gas. This is the industrial method of preparation of hydrogen oxygen gas. So this is also the thermal decomposition reaction, because here the heat is required for the decomposition. Now the next example, that is ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate, here it is written as a green color. The green color of ferrous sulfate is of, it is actually the hydrated form, heptahydrated. whereas ferrous sulfate has a white color. It is in when it is amorphous. Amorphous, it means there is no water molecules. It will be break down into the ferric chloride, which has the brown color, as well as the sulfur dioxide gaseous product, and as well as the sulfur trioxide. So this ferrous sulfate break down into the three components. So this is also the examples of thermal decomposition reaction. And the third one and the second, that is the electro decomposition reaction, are also known as the electrolysis. Electrolysis. Uh, Actually, here decomposition occurs when the heat is when the energy is in the form of electricity. For example, water can be break down or split up into its constituent, that is hydrogen and oxygen, by using the electricity. Diagrammatically, we can understand this phenomenon here. This is the electrolysis of water. This is the electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water. Here, water is taken into this beaker. These are two electrodes of graphite, first and second, and this acts as a anode and the one acts as a cathode. This acts as a cathode, and these electrodes are connected with the battery, 6-volt battery. When switched on, then the decomposition of water will start, and at anode we get the oxygen. And at anode we get the hydrogen. So in such a way we can get the oxygen and hydrogen by splitting the water molecules through the electricity. So this is the decomposition is carried out by the electricity, hence it is a electrical decomposition or the electro decomposition. Now the last or the third one, that is the photochemical or the photo decomposition reaction. Photo decomposition reaction, it means here light is required for the decomposition occur. Light is required. For example, silver chloride, when the silver chloride is placed into the sunlight, then silver is produced as well as the chlorine gas also produced. Silver is grayish in color or the gray in color, We can understand this through the diagram. This diagram showing that we can take the silver chloride into the china dish, and after we place into the sunlight, then after some time it will convert into the gray color of Az, that is the silver. So this is the third type of decomposition reaction, very important decomposition reaction. I think you get understand. Thank you.